Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Philly. I'm Ava and today we'll be making a spicy shrimp taco with avocado crema. And to get started, we're gonna need our 1 pound of our Texas Wild Philly shrimp. Medium size works well for this recipe. If it's any size bigger than medium, the taco might be too overwhelming to eat. So we're gonna start by peeling and deveining. So I use the shell-on shrimp because I think it locks in the flavor better. Now that our shrimp is peeled and deveined and we rinsed it out, we're gonna start in our shrimp marinade. So we're gonna start off with our 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, half of a teaspoon of cumin, 5 garlics, because here we love garlic. We need half of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, half of a teaspoon of kosher salt, the juice of 1 whole lime, and 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Now that all of our ingredients are added in, we're just gonna mix it really well so none of the ingredients are clumped together. Now that our shrimp marinade's all done, we're gonna go ahead and mix it in our peeled and deveined shrimp and make sure that it's evenly coated. We're gonna mix it really well. And once we're done mixing, we're just gonna let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Okay, now that our marinade's all evenly coated on our shrimp, we're just gonna cover it up and let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to lock in that flavor. Now that our shrimp is marinating for at least 30 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our avocado crema. We're gonna need 1 medium avocado, half of a cup of cilantro, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 juiced limes, a whole cup of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and half of a teaspoon of kosher salt. We're gonna add in our avocado oil and our water, our whole jalapeno, not seeded because we like it spicy here, and our salt. Now that we have all of our ingredients in our blender, we're gonna go ahead and start the blending process. Now that our ingredients are all blended together, I'm gonna go ahead and pour them into our bowl. Looks so good. Smells a little spicy, just how we like it. Now that we finished our avocado crema, we're gonna go ahead and make some of our other taco elements. We're gonna add a cup of cabbage into a bowl, a cup of purple cabbage and a cup of green cabbage. We're gonna add that all in there. So to get this shredded cabbage consistency, we're gonna go ahead and use a hand mandolin. And now we're gonna add some of our sauce, a few spoonfuls of our sauce. We wanna make sure we still have some of our sauce left for the end, and so we can add it to the top of our taco. And we're gonna mix it so it gets a really good coleslaw type of consistency. And this doesn't have that, it needs a little bit more of the sauce. That looks pretty good to me. Now that our shrimp has marinated for about 30 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and get to sauteing them. We're gonna use a cast iron skillet, and at medium heat, we're gonna wait for it to get hot. Our skillet's already hot, so we're gonna go ahead and add our marinated shrimp. These cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, about a minute on each side. So we need to make sure we're keeping a really good eye on them because these can cook fast, and if they overcook, it can ruin your whole meal. A good way to tell that they're ready is they get a C shape and they are firm to the touch. So we're just gonna wait on that, flipping halfway through. Now that our shrimp are done, or you can do this while your shrimp are cooking if you're good at multitasking, we're gonna start in our corn tortillas and we're just gonna grill them up really good. These are curled on the edges, real crispy. So we're just gonna use those, put them in our tortilla warmer. And I'm gonna wait for this one to finish up, super easy. And this recipe cooks for about 4 people, so I would do 8 to 10 tortillas. All right, let's get started on assembling our taco. First, we're gonna take our tortilla. We're gonna add some of our slaw on there. We're gonna add our shrimp. And we're just gonna garnish with our favorite toppers. Today we'll be using some avocado, onion, and jalapeños, queso fresco, and some lime. It's gonna be so good. Some jalapeños if you like it spicy. Here we go. And now we're gonna add some of our lime. Now that we finished assembling our spicy shrimp tacos, they look absolutely delicious. For more recipes like this, check out our Instagram or go to phillyseafood.com. Make sure to keep it wild. Bye, y'all.